back to North Meets South by Satish and Stuti. It's a pleasant good morning from us to you. The sun is just risen and we are enjoying a pleasant bicycle riding today morning. Due to the lockdown and the entire change of lifestyle, we all have put on lots of weight, right? The whole schedule has gone up and down, right? So we are not able to burn that many calories as we are supposed to. So we are all on a need for, at least for me and Satish, we can say we are in a need of weight loss. So the basic thing how to shed your weight is to burn your calories, as much calories you are taking.
Cool, man. Okay, wait.
So the basic thing is if you want to really slim down, shed down your weight, is to burn your calories. How do you burn your calories? Either by walking or exercise or going for walking. So for me and Satish, I think cycle is the best mode. We were thinking we'll just go for cycling every day.
So why don't go for walking?
Bicycling is more fun. there was time a few years back, like me and Satish used to do early morning walk 7 kilometers, and literally it gave a very good impact on us. We really became lean and thin. But then after this lockdown and pandemic and eating eating too much during staying at home, we have put on weight. So there's a need for us to shed the weight. People usually do the New Year resolution from 1st of January, but honestly speaking, for me and Satish, it doesn't work out. So we were like, okay, we are just starting of the beginning of the month of December, so why not just start our weight loss journey, fitness journey from the month of December itself, right?
Okay, so you are planning to lose like lots of weight?
Yeah, at least if 10 kgs if I'm able to pull down, that will be really great. I'm not following any diet or any hitting the gym or any hard exercise. It's
only
just
by
that
this bicycle?
bicycling. Yeah.
Okay, then let's go for bicycle.
Yeah, so let's go for
along the way,
bicycle.
we're going to tell that what are the benefits.
Yeah.
It's kind of a ongoing journey.
Yeah.
And we invite you. Friends, it's an ongoing journey. I'm also joining with Sudhi because I'm already in my great shape. No, I am not in my great shape. So it seems like we're going to lose some weight.
Yeah.
In the year 2022.
1 month time at least, let's pull down something.
So we are taking the bicycle and it's an ongoing journey, and we invite you guys to be part of our journey.
Yeah.
So that we lose it's not lose always, it's not good to lose always, but you can lose weight.
Yeah, you can lose weight and you are gaining good health.
The only thing you can lose is weight.
Yeah. And that I think we need to shut down. At least me and Satish need to shut down.
Okay. So we are starting our fitness journey here.
Yeah.
And along the way we'll introduce you some tips we learned, right? Some of the tips we can use it while doing the bicycling. So let's start. It's early morning. I think it's almost 7 o'clock, right?
Yeah, it's sharp 7 in the morning.
Okay.
And the best thing is you feel the freshness early morning.
Yeah, we don't feel...
You don't feel that in the evening time.
Good that there's not much fog, right?
Yeah, today there's not much fog. The sun is already risen. And it's pleasant.
And we got a nice road also here. It doesn't have much, this kind of straight road.
Straight, not obvious,
Not much traffic.
not much traffic also.
Not only yours, there are some other bikers also. I've seen
He's my student.
oh, she's your student.
Is that Siri? I'm coming back. Yeah, no. He went to the mosque. Okay.
Okay. Now, your challenge is don't get down from the bike, okay?
Yeah, you know what? You will always win and I will always lose.
Come on, guys. This is a little bit steep road. Lot of trouble there. Hard time.
I didn't put my feet down.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't do that.
Okay, that's a good one. I think we almost rode 1 kilometer now.
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.
Good. One reason is I think
Double
while
mask.
riding, don't do that.
Yeah, this is really difficult, guys.
Nobody's in the road, and you are taking your two doses.
Yeah, but still I'm scared of this Omnicron.
Many times, not the double mask will save you. Double dose of
Vaccination will save, but we have already had our shots.
yeah. So we had our shot, so we don't have to wear this, right?
No, I'm scared.
Because breathe in
Yeah,
and breathe out is very important.
that's the reason
any
I'm
exercise.
gasping. Yeah, true.
I'm gasping because of I'm overweight.
For me, I'm wearing double mask.
Okay, let's go a little more further.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's following that guy?
And the way he's running is little different, no?
This is the love, boys.
Probably some trouble. Look at the way his left back leg is.
So he's following him.
Yeah.
Now, how many kilometers you are planning to do?
I think since after a long break we are doing this,
Uh,
so another 1 more kilometer or 2 kilometer would be fine. Because
Okay.
when you start, dear friends, so the key is when you start, don't be hard on yourself. Just start with, a little bit. Start with a small step. Start with a little distance to cover. And then gradually, as you pick up the pace, as your body is able to pick up that much of exertion, you can extend depending on how much you can do the bicycle riding in a day. Because we have our other responsibilities as well. Not just that we can just do 25 kilometer on the first day and then go home and then lie down and then next 1 week you are not able to cycle. That's not the way. Isn't it, Satish?
so one important thing is, okay, whenever you go for this kind of sport, it's good to have a company. It's
Yeah.
good to have. You have to find your teammate accordingly, so that one person can motivate others. Because see, many of us start what are really noisy. Many of us are starting our exercise regime after a long run, right? So we need some time motivation. So let's now we have completed 3 kilometer. Yeah, now we are going for our another leg. Let's do it.
Yeah. So we have reached to the town, my dear friends. It's nice and refreshing to see people going for the walk, going for the work. Busy over here. It's hard to do cycling and vlogging, so we're gonna take a little less traffic wala area route. So we will go from here because not just people walking, even the big buses are coming, which is not safe for us. So let's go to the less travel.
So
This is the same flood related.
yeah, I think last week we came here. No, last week.
2 weeks back.
2 weeks back, the water has come. Our big video just started from here, right?
Yeah.
It's so nice to ride the bicycle in the morning.
Yes, I am also feeling very much fresh,
Yeah.
both in mind, in heart, as well as feeling very good in our health. Because exercise will always, burn up the extra calories, remove the previous normally state. Very
Okay.
nicely the doggy is sitting.
Yeah.
And when we burn our calories, all our body and muscles get nicely exercised, worked out. We really feel good in ourselves.
What else?
But guys, cycling in this kind of terrain is not at all easy. So friends, cycling in Kerala, especially in this terrain, is not at all easy. I come from a place which is absolutely plain, right? Absolutely plain. So even if a short distance you are doing bicycling in Kerala, for me I'm telling, it might be different for other people. So it's like I'm doing double the workout. Seriously guys, because there's lots of ups and downs, and on little bit elevated place also Satish is very peacefully able to ride, whereas my legs goes tight pissy. So I will say, hey, I lost my speed, you gotta wait for me. Then he always waits for me that I'm okay or not. He always is very supportive, so I feel very confident and safe coming in cycling with him, because usually people don't do cycling, and we both come out for cycling. People like, cycling. Just now we saw lots of students coming out, and even one of the kid was telling, cycle. I said, yeah, because even kids don't want to do cycling, and we are grown-up people, adults, we love to do cycling.
No, actually cycle has a lot of benefits, right?
Yes.
Apart from, they are saving us from
Petrol expense,
especially country like India now need a lot of alternative
alternative
energy. Yeah.
True.
And people are saying about hybrid cars and electric cars. Actually, when the electric cars runs, probably your car won't be emitting any, harmful gases.
Pollution
But the battery, which
definitely
makes lots of electricity.
Lots of,
electricity also is a kind of that you will make a hydroelectric power and or the even the thermal air power.
Yes.
And thermal is something which is
thermal
really
power is very dangerous.
Very dangerous to the so. What we feel, then in your city drive and all, you can always opt for your bicycle.
Yeah.
And if you go for any developed countries, that's the case over there. In India, to go and buy 1 kg of that sardine.
Fish.
Yeah, in Malayalam we'll say mati. To get the 1 kg of mati, we'll take our car and go. That's the case. I mean, I have done that.
Yeah.
I'm not
we
blaming
don't
anyone.
point on others. We are talking about ourselves.
So we can always go for take our bicycle.
It's good, guys. Exercising is good. You feel fresh. All your joints and muscles gets nice worked out. You sweat a lot. Otherwise, most of the time, we are sitting in the AC rooms. Not all, but at least during our working hours.
Most of them.
Most of us. So it's really nice. All our skin will breathe fresh. We will feel fresh coming out and cycling. Good workout, good exercise. Refreshed in our mind, and that will really regenerate. Seriously, like me and Satish can really testify for this. The time when we used to go for regular walking, and the whole day we'll be, healthy. We'll be feeling very fit and energetic. Till late in the 7, 8 in the night also we'll feel good. Compared to the days when we don't go for any kind of exercise, from morning itself after maybe after noon onwards, we will feel really tired and bored. So again, it is a steep terrain. As you can see, there's a beautiful church onto our left.
This is a very beautiful church.
Very beautiful church.
I think it's a very old one.
Very nice. And since it's 2nd of December, they have already put up the stars for Christmas. Good.
So we are using a very normal bicycle.
Yeah.
We don't use any fancy one.
No gear bicycle.
No gear bicycle. So now we have.
I think cycling, come walking, dear friends.
We have completed I think 5 kilometers now now.
Yeah.
We are kind of tired.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we have to stop the vlogging now.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I don't think so we'll be able to reach home on time.
Yeah.
Our children are waiting.
Yeah.
Especially Tyson baby.
Yeah.
I mean, those of you who don't know who Tyson is. Who is Tyson?
Tyson is our pet dog. So friends, we are a little tired. I hope that this vlog would be an inspiring one, right? To start your fitness journey. Once in a week, we'll try to update on our weight loss journey, right? Just pick up a good friend who would come along with you for your daily walk or for your cycling, right? And you will really feel nice and refreshed throughout the day. We'll come back with another exciting vlog at same time tomorrow. See you then. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.